What's the meaning of blackfly? Blackfly. Blackfly.
Blackfly. Blackfly. The term blackfly typically refers to a small, biting insect that belongs to the family Simulidae. These flies are often found near bodies of water, such as rivers and streams, and can be a nuisance to humans and animals alike due to their painful bites. The female blackfly requires blood to reproduce, and their bites can cause redness, swelling, and itching. In addition to being a pest, blackflies can also transmit diseases to humans and livestock, making them a potential public health concern. Control measures including insecticides and larvicides may be used to manage blackfly populations in affected areas.